akarịala dọtị akarịala na Owerri na-agba ụzọ ji otu aka dọtị line ọpụ na-ajụ m emege dọtị exhibition ịma deti dị iche na dọtị echi a ga-agwọ ya gwa ugbu a blọkụ ụzọ ndị ọwụcha eye service dosa dọtị nga ahụ n'abalị ụtụtụ anyị pụta anyị ahụkwaghị ya ihe anyị ga-agbanwe na ndị nọ n'ọrụ a nakwa na ha yacha ọkụ were na-arụ ọrụ ndị a n'abalị agwọpụta dọtị agwọpụta ikpo ya ekpo okoro aka m gbafeje na ele briji akabụ ebe a ma ahụ ebe e were ihe niile agwọtara na gọta na
You just heard the voice of Honorable Uche Ogbuagu, member representing Ikedru LGA in the Imo State House of Assembly, lamenting on the abysmal level of sanitation in Imo State, especially the state capital, Owerri. Indeed, Imo State is dirty and stinking, especially Owerri. Before, we know Aba, the commercial city in Abia State, as dirty. But under the present PDP administration, led by Emeka Ihedioha, Owerri has graduated from being dirty to dirty. In fact, Owerri is dirty. Abroadians and those visiting, please, while packing your bags, add nose mask. This is the position of things in it. It is really disheartening to watch a government that promised heaven on earth to Imolites, disappointing the people, scamming them with blames and excuses. With this new trend of dirty, outbreak of diseases and epidemics are expected disastrous bombs waiting to explode. On inception, Emeka Ihedioha appointed his brother Emeziem from Mbise to take care of sanitation in Imo State. We also witnessed the drama of appointing former Governor Ikedi Ohakim as the chairman committee on sanitation, which engulfs about 200 to 300 million naira monthly from Imo State Treasury for sanitation. The local government is not exceptional, as this same act also goes on at the local government level. Ndimo, is all this justifiable? Imo State is now recommended as a dirty state for pig rearing. What is happening, Ndimo? If you are coming to Imo State, please buy nose masks for us. Chai, Ndimo, is this the go green stay green policy? See dirty, see dirty, see dirty, haba. Ihedioha, why? Why are you treating us this way?